Understanding impatient. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the word impatient. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Impatient is made up of two parts, the prefix "im" and the word patient. Normally, patient means to wait calmly without complaining. However, when we add the prefix "im", it negates the word. Therefore, impatient means the opposite of patient. Impatient is an adjective and it describes someone who 1. Doesn't want to wait for something or someone. 2. Shows irritation or restlessness when delayed. 3. Desires something to happen immediately. For example, if you can't wait for the weekend to arrive, you might say, "I'm so impatient for the weekend." To give you a better understanding, here are some examples. 1. She was impatient to open her birthday presents. 2. I'm impatient with slow internet connections. 3. He's impatient for the movie to start. It's often used to express a strong desire for something to happen soon or immediately. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can also help you grasp the essence of a word. Synonyms for impatient, anxious, eager, restless. Antonyms for impatient, patient, calm, content. So, the next time you're feeling restless or eager for something to happen, remember the word impatient. We hope this video has been helpful and will aid you in enhancing your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and see you next time.